Hello little chess champs, today we are diving into Perpetual check, a clever way to escape losing and turn the game into draw. Let's see how it works. So what is Perpetual check? It happened when one player keeps checking the opponent king over and over without a way to stop it or deliver checkmate. The game is then declared as a draw. So how Perpetual check works? A piece, often queen, moves back and forth to check the opponent king repeatedly. The other pieces like rook, bishop or even knight can also create perpetual check. The king is stuck, it can't escape the check. Let's see some example with the queen. Now see the example, now currently in check, right? So white king have no option, so it comes into b1. Then black queen check the white king by moving into d1. Then there is no option, it goes into a2 and queen is going into a4. So again it is coming here, check. So it is going here, check. So king is stuck in between. So this is called perpetual check. So continuously the opponent giving check, then that will be a perpetual check. Same situation here, the white queen alternates between c7 and c8. So check, it will go here, check, check, check. So these are all perpetual check. Now see this example. Now black knight made a check on a1. So king has no option, so it is going to move into a2. Then knight is coming here, c1 and check. So there is no option, right? It can't go here, so it will come here. King will come here, then again check, then it will go here, again check, then it should come here, again check, then it should go here, again check. So there is no option, right? Then the game will be drawn. With the rook, we can say, so the white rook slides between d7 and d8. Example, d8 check, d7 check, then d8 check, then d7 check. So this also perpetual check and it ends with the draw. So when perpetual check save the day, a lifeline. If you are losing, perpetual check can force a draw instead of letting you lose. Even if your opponent has stronger pieces, perpetual check can save you. Look for the move that keep the king in check repeatedly. Go for perpetual check only when winning is not possible. Avoid position where your opponent can force perpetual check on you. So perpetual check is like a safety net. It won't help you to win, but it can stop you from losing. Use it wisely to stay in the game. Happy learning, little chess champs.